Imagine the frustration. You got yourself a pair of beautiful new shoes, but they just don't match any of your outfits. Or your uncle from abroad have sent you a bottle of that famous sauce, and yet all you have is fruits and candies.
Lack of good match is disappointing at least. But what if there was one thing in life that you can be sure of? And I'm not talking about those things like sun rising in the morning or that the first pancake is always the worst. I'm talking about that feeling of inner peace when you know that there is a GCT connector available for your flat flex cable at TME.eu. Isn't that great? Flat flex cables, or FFCs, are widely used inside devices. It's a lightweight, compact solution for board-to-board or board-to-device connections. And they are widely used in consumer electronics as well as professional, medical and automotive industries. Their flexibility and durability make them an efficient choice for anything requiring repeated motion or minimizing space. But small spaces can be also challenging and require a very specific ways of mounting things. And if you want the device to be easily serviceable, you must mount connectors. But are there connectors that are compatible with my cable? Yes, there are. More than you can imagine. With more than 3,500 available GCT flat flex cables on TME.eu, you might think that there are equally many connectors. But remember, we just need to focus on the number of pins and their pitch. And knowing that, you just pick the preferred direction, the top, side, whatever, and locking mechanism. What's new and important are the halogen-free equivalents of flat cables that are REACH compliant. It's a compliance-driven alternative for markets with environmental friendly regulations. With identical behavior when it comes to insertion force or bending, it's a direct swap in your existing systems with both 0.5 and 1 mm traces. So remember, if you need a good match, you can always rely on good old blue denim jeans and GCT. Just don't try to connect anything with jeans.